Welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can get belly ring on dress to impress. Okay, let's get into it, guys. Here I have joined dress to impress, and then I'm going to show you how we can get belly ring for our model. So here, guys, you just need to follow where I go. You can go to this area, the area where you can find necklaces and earrings and also belly ring. Okay, if you want to get belly ring, you just need to select this one. Okay, I'm going to grab this belly ring for my model. Okay, and this is the result, and then you will be able to change the color if you want. Okay, I'm going to make it black. Okay, and this is the result. Or actually, you can choose another belly ring. Wait, I'm going to go back, and this is another option for you. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys. Okay, you can change the color. I'm going to make it black. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get belly ring on dress to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.